So in the heart of the country where the rivers run deep, there's a struggle we're facing, it's a promise we keep. They said go all electric, it'll be a brand new start. But the cost keeps on rising, tearing families apart. Rising electrical bills, burning holes in our pockets, working double shifts just to keep the lights on in our sockets. They say it's for the future, but it feels like a trap. Caught in the cycle, can't escape from this gap. We're working day and night, trying to make ends meet, but it's like chasing